Hello, everyone. I'm Professor Sunil Maheshwari from Indiana University of Pennsylvania, Department of Accounting and Information System. I've been a professor for about 25 years and chair for the department for last year or so. I thank Dr. Deepak for inviting me to give a message for the conference. So the theme for the conference is innovation for sustainability. And to arrange a conference on such a relevant topic, I congratulate the Department of Management Studies at the Ramaiah Institute of Technology. Last year, I had the pleasure of visiting the Department of Management Studies at the Ramaiah Institute and met the faculty members who are basically responsible to put the international seminar together. I congratulate them for doing so. Also, we did talk about the interest in terms of having research collaborations, and I look forward to that as well. Now, why sustainability and why now? If we look at the graph over here, we realize that the Earth, as of now, does not have enough ecological resources to which can be regenerated to serve everyone in a given year. As of now, compared to 1971, we now need about 1.7 Earth based upon our current consumption pattern and the Earth's capacity to regenerate those resources. 1971 was the last year where the ecological resources generated by the Earth were sufficient to for sustainability of the population. Our carbon footprint compared to 60s have increased by about 650%, and that is also kind of alarming. Keeping in mind, some 17 Sustainable Development Goals have been propagated, and those relate to basically no poverty, zero hunger, and climate action, all to sustain life below and above the seawater, above the sea, and so on and so forth. And most of you would be familiar with these goals. The development in terms of achieving these goals, the results for these, about 16% of this of these goals are on track as of 2024, but 84% only had limited progress. So the facts about sustainability: 70% of the world is covered by water, yet only 2.5% of it is fresh, and only 1% of it is easily accessible for the human use. And our activities are causing the issues of sustainability. For example, it takes almost 500,000 liters of water to extract 1 kilogram of coal. Similarly, even making jeans consumes an extraordinary amount of water. We can save the water by about 45% in our home by using water efficient fittings and fixtures. Corporations have contributed towards maintaining the sustainability initiatives. Most of the corporations like IKEA, Google, they have basically made sure that the energy consumption is reduced and thereby the pollution and the carbon footprint. Another interesting and very interesting idea that has come up is the life cycle assessment. Whenever you make a product, you need to evaluate the impact of that product right from the raw material stage to the disposal stage, so that the entire the entire chain can be tracked, and the impact of that product can be evaluated. Many companies like Patagonia, Eicher, Volvo, they are looking at their suppliers. They're looking at the supply chain and making sure that the suppliers are ethically sourcing the quality products. As far as the initiatives in terms of personal thoughts are concerned, not very innovative, means it is not very fancy idea, but very simple idea. For example, how can an individual contribute towards sustainability? Just using water efficient fittings as mentioned earlier. And to think about it, I was looking at the attendance at the Kumbh Mela in 2025. If the number of people who attended, each one of them just covers or cleans up about 0.25 square kilometer area, the whole India can be cleaned up. This is not even taking into account the area covered by the mountains and the rivers, and that can go to about half. And if each one volunteered to clean up less than 0.0002 square kilometer of the country, then everything will be cleaned up. That's the area we have. Now, you can simply refuse to buy products with unnecessary plastic packaging, or plant one tree on your birthday, or feed one hungry person every week. Those are very small idea, but will help towards sustainability. Thank you very much for listening. I'm Sunil Maheshwari. Our Department of Accounting is separately accredited by AACSB, and which puts us in top 2% of the schools that are accredited by AACSB, both for business as well as for accounting. I once again congratulate the team at Ramaiah, Department of Management Studies, headed by Dr. Deepak and all his support team. We wish you the best for a very successful conference. Thank you very much. Thanks for listening, and have a great conference.